So here we are, ladies and gents. Oh, the NC500 tour. We just pulled up at Shell Garage just to put a bit of fuel in and grab one of the lads that lives up this way. They are parked somewhere around here. Where have they gone? There's Russell. Oh, there they are, there's the boys. So we've got Russ on the VFR, Craig on the Ducati Monster. Monster? Bloody hell. Multistrada. That's the one. Hang on, we've got to have a photo shoot. Here's Aaron. Here we go. Oh, Aaron's just fueling up. What a lad. Right then, ladies and gents. Today is day one. We are going far. 380 mile. Not going to film a lot of it on the way up, obviously, because it's well, let's face it, it's motorway miles. Nobody wants to see that. But yeah, we are ready. She's packed. I can't believe the old girl's here. She's clean for now, but not for much longer. Right, let's munch some miles and we'll catch you when we get some better footage. So we've made it. We're in Scotland. I don't know how much of that you got, because the other camera's fucked. And yeah. All that hard work polishing. Absolutely gutted. Never mind, that's what you get. That's what you get. She better have. Also keep saying this. She better have a nose pack. And do you know what? Bloody wheels are the cleanest bit.
Yeah. Waterproofs.
Rusty's back.
Yeah. Okay.
What a view. So we're in Peebles, I think it is. It's just about to rain, so hopefully we don't get too drenched. It may clean some of this cack off. Rusty's just having his toast. Everywhere he goes, he's been bloody eating. 2 breakfasts, because his first one had a hair in it.
Oh god,
Yeah, enjoyed it so far. Not going to film the rest of it just because of the other camera. So we'll catch you at the next stop. It may be the hotel, I don't know. We've done... How long do you reckon we've got? How many miles? From here, how many miles do you reckon we still got to cover?
We've got 150, 200 something.
200 something miles?
We've got the same again to get Tyndon, but I think it's actually going to be a little bit longer because of Craig's little detour. And then we've got a shorter trip, like a bit shorter than the motorway to get to the accommodation. The only thing, it's not motorway, it's the same time, but it's shorter distance, but it's because it's Glencoe and that, which is scenic even in the rain, which is gorgeous, but it's just going to be raining. So here, just around the outside of Edinburgh, Stirling, Tyndon, Greenwelly, Glencoe, Port William, Invergary.
Practically all Scotland in one go.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
I can't do nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how with everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
That one's pulled over. Yeah. I'll stop with Aaron.
Road's closed.
Road's closed. Aaron says road's closed. Yeah.
Did not see the sign. Did you not see the big yellow sign back there that was flashing? It said 838 closed, north and south, Fort William.
No, Aaron says he saw a sign saying the A38 closed. Yeah, probably what that fire engine was. Craig says there's an air ambulance. Air ambulance up there. Yeah, you be fucked, get up there now.
It's a serious incident, so they need to check the road as well.
Yeah, they won't let you through, will they, because if there's any shit on the road. Yeah, you can hear the sirens, can't you? Yeah, there's ambulance coming up from behind us, lads, so watch yourselves. Everyone's trying to get over. Well, what I'm about to show you is probably one of the best sights that I've had ever been out riding. Look at that. Just look at that behind us. Absolutely gorgeous. And the road, don't know if it does it justice, but literally all the way through them hills. Just gobsmack as to how beautiful it is out here. I mean, I'm gutted that I haven't got the GoPro on the helmet. Absolutely gutted, like I said. It's just, I mean, we are soaked. We are soaked. Absolutely soaked. But, do you know what I mean? Look where we are. Bye. Camper van. We're currently in Glencoe. So this is Glencoe Visitor Centre, currently closed, as most places are. But I don't care about the weather. I really don't. I absolutely don't care about the weather. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to try and get a straight shot back to the hotel. Grab some food, nice hot bath, So I'll catch you in a minute, guys. See you soon. Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We've only gone and bloody made it. We're at the Lundy View Hotel. I don't know if you can just see the bike at the top there. Yeah, incredibly long and exhausting day. Yeah, it's the most miles I think I've ever done in one hit. That's got to be near enough 500 miles. We did have a little bit of a problem as we came down one of the roads. I didn't film just because I didn't manage to get that far, and to be fair, it's not very respectful, but there was a really bad accident, apparently, according to Craig and Ross, where a car's basically gone off into the verge, so it resulted in an ambulance and the air ambulance as well, which meant that the road was closed and we took nearly a 35, nearly 40 mile trip. Tea time tonight will be as follows: chicken tikka pasty, wheat crunchies, and a couple of pork pies. I cannot wait to hit the hay. This is the room. I'll show you round. The obligatory show you the room. There's me. Ignore the giant hoodie. It's incredibly comfortable. Shower. I've already been in there. Skivvy's all hanging up already. Oh, forgot the charger. Yeah. I think, to be fair, although I am incredibly knackered, that is a very successful day. Hopefully tomorrow the weather's a bit better, which means we can take you along for a lot more of the ride, and we'll see if we can get a lot more footage. But until tomorrow, catch you again. Bye now.